My Surface Duo arrived via FedEx, and I'm really eager to open it up and check it out. So, let me see. Open up the box here. Pull out the real thing. Okay, looks like I gotta remove some plastic here. Little tab to pull. And the plastic just tears right off. And let's see here. Okay, here the plastic's coming off. And there we go. Wow, that's the device right on top. Let me open it up and see what we got here. Actually, that was just a picture of the device on top. There's the real thing. Yeah. Boxing is really well done from what I can see so far. So now I got this new little gadget in my hands. Let me see what else came with it. What do we have here? Let me just set that aside and see what else we got. Not much. All kinds of little boxes in here. Okay. So this is what we got. Now, let me check out some of the other boxes. Looks like the power supply. Yep, that's the power supply. No cord attached to it, just the plug-in part. Small. What do we have in this box? Okay, there's the cable that we need, which I'm sure plugs into the power supply and then into the Surface Duo itself. Packaging is really well done. I'm really impressed with that. Hope I'm impressed with the device once I start using it. Both ends are the same. So either end can be plugged into the power supply, and then of course the other end goes into the phone, but let me just set that aside and see what else we got. Let's see, some papers, I guess probably warranty stuff and all that. Doesn't look like a whole lot of materials here. Yeah, boring stuff. Nah, I don't need that now. Later. Okay. Set that aside. Ooh, this feels nice in my hands. What's this thing? Oh, this is the bumpers that I've heard about, the edge protection. It's in two pieces. Okay, well, I'm not sure I want to spoil the looks of my device with putting those on. I'll save them for later, maybe. Maybe I'll decide to put them on another time. But not now. I'm eager to open up this little gadget. So, let me do that. Okay. Really light. Fits in the palm of my hand really nicely. Feels good. Take off the plastic and I'm sure it'll feel even better. So it extends on into the inside, I think. Yeah. Okay. So just pull that out. There we go. So I guess actually unboxing is pretty much complete. Oh, I love the feel of this in the hand. It just just in one hand, the way my fingers wrap around it, it just seems like a perfect size for the palm of your hand. And of course, you can easily stand up on the tabletop. The hinges, everybody comments on the hinges that it's a work of art, and they do seem to be nice. Yeah, it folds all the way around. Okay. I'm not sure I like it that way. I guess that's the way you're supposed to use the phone. We'll see about that. I like it opened up much better. But it does, close all the way around without a problem. Let's see. Starting it up. And, okay, there we go. Okay. I think I better plug it in, get it charged up before I do anything more. So, meanwhile, I did record this for the actual unboxing. It was the first time I unboxed it. But now that I'm adding the narration, I've had several weeks to use it, a couple of weeks I guess. It arrived via FedEx really quickly after I ordered it. I actually love this device. It just feels so nice in my hand, and just the way it stands up on the table, as we see here, is so nice. That's pretty much the way I leave it all the time. I leave it on my desktop that way. It seemed a little odd when I folded it all the way around, like I think you're supposed to do when you use the phone, but I find I don't like to use the phone that way. Actually, what I find is that this, like Microsoft said, is much more than a phone. I understand now why they're advertising it that way. They don't want to call it a phone, and really it isn't. It's a handheld computer that folds up and slides into your pocket. Got all the Office apps on it, and including Outlook, which I've always used. And it just feels so good, just holding it in my hand. It seems to be the perfect size. I've tried some web browsing. I prefer to get the browser over both screens and just scroll up and down. My eyes aren't as good as when I was younger, so it's really helpful to me to have the big dual display here. Okay, now it's being charged up, and I need to select a Wi-Fi, and I'm sure after that it's going to do an update. So while it's going through that, just let me comment a little more. There was a lot of negative press before I even ordered it. I didn't let that slow me down. I ordered it anyway. Negative press said the software wasn't really ready. I think maybe the reviewers had a beta software review, or certainly it wasn't the software that I had after the update. It's pretty much flawless. There's been a couple of times something weird happened, but only a couple. One time the screen started flashing. I did turn it off and back on. That never happened again. It's been once or twice that it sort of froze up for a little bit, but then it came back. Other than that, I've not seen any issues at all. I've learned to do the swiping from the bottom and top and sides to control what it does. It's just truly a wonderful little gadget. I'm so glad I got it. So glad the reviews, while they may have been correct at the time, I'm so glad those negative reviews are not at all applicable to the way it is right now. So, bottom line is, I'm still excited with it. Pretty much know how to use it now, but I'm sure there's other things I'm going to discover. I highly recommend it.